Good morning, student. In last period, we learned the main parts of the cell. That is cell membrane or plasma membrane, nucleus, and cytoplasm. These three components or parts are main in the cell. It means that all cells have these three parts. That is cell membrane or plasma membrane, cytoplasm and nucleus. In addition to these parts, cell have another parts which we learn today. The next part is cell wall. Cell wall, in addition to the cell membrane, there is an outer thick layer in a cell of plant is called a cell wall. Cell wall is an outer thick layer surrounding a cell membrane. This additional layer surrounding the cell membrane is required by plant for protection plant cell. For the protection of plant cell, this outer thick layer in the plant cell is required, that is cell wall. Cell needs protection against variation in temperature, high wind speed, atmospheric moisture, etc. Therefore, in plant cell, the additional outer covering is called a cell wall. Cell wall is made up of a non-living component called cellulose. Cell wall is made up of cellulose and it is only present in the plant cell. In animal cell, cell wall is absent. Another part of the cell is called a vacuola. In animal cell, there is no cell wall, no outer thick layer surrounding the cell membrane or plasma membrane. Only cell membrane or plasma membrane separate the cell from the surrounding and cell from the neighboring another cell. This is also given in the figure number 8.7 A and B on the page number 96 of your textbook lesson cell structure and function. Now we discuss about vacuola. Vacuola are blank-like structure, empty space-like structure. This is blank-like structure in the cytoplasm is called vacuola. You see there in the plant cell there is a blank-like structure, a huge, large, big blank-like structure in the plant cell. This is vacuola. If we see in animal cell, then the vacuola is indicated as the number 7 on this. This is vacuola. So you see there in animal cell there are more than one vacuola are present in animal cell. And comparison of the size of vacuola between plant cell and animal cell, then we said that a small vacuola, small and more than one vacuolas are present in animal cell. And in plant cell, one large size or big size vacuola is present in plant cell. Therefore, blank-like structure in cytoplasm is called vacuola. Vacuola could be single and big in plant cell. Vacuola in animal cells are smaller and more than one in number. Another part of the cell is plastids. The plastids are color body scattered in cytoplasm. We learned the main part of the cell, that is nucleus, cytoplasm and plasma membrane. The cytoplasm is jelly-like structure and it present between nucleus and plasma membrane or cell membrane. So plastids are scattered in cytoplasm and plastids are present only in the plant cell. So also we said that in animal cell no plastids are present at all, because plastids are present only in the animal cell. Color body are scattered in cytoplasm called plastids. Plastids are present only in the plant cell. Plastids are different color. Plastids has a different color like yellow, green, orange, red, etc. The chloroplast is a type of plastids which contain green pigment. Green color pigment contains by the chloroplast. Chloroplast is a type of plastids is called chlorophyll. So plastids contain green color pigment are called chlorophyll. Green colored plastids are called chloroplast. They provide green color to the leaves. We know that green color of the leaves is due to presence of green color plastids called chlorophyll in the leaves. And this green color chlorophyll is essential for photosynthesis process. Photosynthesis is a food making process. We learned in class 6 about the photosynthesis. Synthesis of water and carbon dioxide in presence of sunlight and chlorophyll. Chlorophyll is plastic and produce the carbohydrate as a food and liberate oxygen. So this food making process by the plant is called photosynthesis. In this photosynthesis, chlorophyll is essential. Unless and if chlorophyll is not present in the plant leaf, then photosynthesis process does not occur. Then food does not occur. Then oxygen not liberated in the atmosphere. Then all animals, including herbivores, carnivores, etc., are not present on the earth. So existence of life is depends on the process of photosynthesis. This is autotrophic organisms. It means they produce their food themselves. So these are the parts of the plant. In addition to these parts, component or organelles, like other component, mitochondria, Golgi bodies, ribosomes, etc., are also present in the cells. Now I see the animal cell which contains several parts, component or organelle. So this is the nucleus, the nucleus. This is all the embossed bodies is nucleus, and second one is nucleolus, chromatins inside the nucleus, centrosomes, Golgi apparatus. Centrosomes are there. Golgi apparatus. This is the Golgi apparatus or Golgi body. Then cytoplasm. This is cytoplasm. This is vacuola. These are the vacuola. Mitochondria. This is the mitochondria, are some part of the animal cell. Now we see the plant cell. The nucleus. This is nucleus. Cytoplasm is indicated as number second. So in this area, cytoplasm are present. Vacuola, we know that big, large size vacuola. It is indicated by the number 3. Fourth is plastids. This is plastids. And fifth one is outer thick covering is called a cell wall. So this is cell wall. Like this, one more plant cell model. All components of the cells are number and right here. This is the number 1, that is cell wall. Number 2, that is cell membrane. Number 3, this is the number 3, that is cytoplasm. Number 4 is endoplasmic reticulum, and there is number 4. This is endoplasmic reticulum. Number 5, this is number 5, mitochondria. Number 6, chloroplast. This is chloroplast. Number 7 is nucleus. This is nucleus. 8 is Golgi apparatus or Golgi body. This is Golgi apparatus or Golgi body. 9 is ribosomes. Where is 9? This is 9 ribosomes. 10 is lysosomes. 10 lysosomes. And 11 is vacuola. This is the vacuola. And this is the plant cell. So, in addition to main part or component of the cell, there are various other components like cell wall, vacuola, plastids, chloroplast, etc. are also present in the cell. Thank you.